Precision. It is the foundation of everything we do. At Renova Clinic, we combine world-class engineering with a commitment to life-changing restoration. Welcome to the world of All-on-6, a new standard in dental excellence. For those who have lost their natural teeth, the journey back to confidence can feel overwhelming. Missing teeth aren't just a physical challenge. They affect how we speak, how we eat, and how we see ourselves. Traditional dentures often fail to address the underlying issue of bone loss, leading to instability and discomfort. But what if you could have a permanent solution that feels, functions, and looks exactly like natural teeth? Introducing All-on-6, a sophisticated restoration using 6 precision implants to support a full arch of teeth. This provides immediate stability and perfect force distribution, restoring your bite to its full strength. The process begins with absolute precision. We don't just plan your surgery, we architect your new smile digitally. Using advanced CBCT and 3D facial scanning, we capture every detail of your unique anatomy. This allows us to virtually simulate the entire procedure, ensuring a perfect fit and aesthetic result before we even begin. Computer-guided surgery removes the guesswork, allowing for unparalleled accuracy during placement. In our state-of-the-art surgical suites, patient comfort and clinical precision are our highest priorities. We've created an environment that feels more like a luxury retreat than a clinic. Our specialized team utilizes the latest navigation technology to ensure each implant is placed with microscopic accuracy. Once the foundation is set, our in-house laboratory begins the craftsmanship of your final teeth. Every arch is custom milled from a single block of high-strength zirconia using advanced CAD/CAM technology. We calibrate every millimeter to ensure a seamless fit with your gums and a natural bite. Each tooth is hand-finished by master technicians to capture the subtle translucency and texture of natural enamel. The result is a restoration that is as durable as it is beautiful, a complete transformation. This is the moment everything changes, the return of your natural smile. Eat what you love, speak without hesitation, and live your life with absolute confidence. Because a smile isn't just about teeth, it's about connection and the freedom to be yourself. With proper care, All-on-6 is designed to be a lifetime investment in your health and happiness. Strong, healthy, and easy to maintain. It is modern dentistry at its most refined. At Renova Clinic, we don't just restore smiles, we restore lives. Renova Clinic, precision in every smile.